stroke, I can feel it glow. A masterpiece we've made and we're ready to show. We're painting dreams with a beat in our hands, building castles from dust with our own plans. Every note, every line from the start. This is the anthem of creating art. Shapes collide in waves, they bend and break, sculpting wonders from the chaos we make. A melody whispers through the quiet storm. This canvas is alive, this is the norm. We're painting dreams with a beat in our hands, building castles from dust with our own plans. Every note, every line from the start. This is the anthem of creating art. No rules, no chains, no lines to stay between. Blank spaces fill with all that's unseen. Sparks ignite where the passion begins. This is how we shape the world we're in. We're painting dreams with a beat in our hands, building castles from dust with our own plans. Every note, every line from the start. This is the anthem of creating art. Oh, creating art. We ran through fire like we'd never burn. Our hearts were wild, we had much to learn. Breaking the rules like they had no hold. Every laugh we had turned the night to gold. Streetlights danced as we chased our dreams. We painted the world with reckless schemes. Time stood still while we built our throne. Every crack was ours and ours alone. We were kings, we were queens of the endless sky. Didn't care if the days or the nights went by. Youth was a song we screamed out loud. The future was distant, we lived for now. We were kings, we were queens queens, we were queens of the endless sky. Didn't care if the days or the nights went by. Youth was a song we screamed out loud. The future was distant, we lived for now. The moonlight paints the room in glow. A silent pulse begins to grow. Electric sparks ignite the air. I create like no one's there. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. Shadows dance on the midnight wall. They whisper secrets, they hear my call. Neon colors flow through my veins. I paint my heartbeat through the pain. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. The clock is silent, we defy its rules. Love's the fire, it fuels my tools. Crimson dreams and sapphire skies. My art comes alive, it never lies.